Civil authorities have issued a civil emergency message for Suffolk, MA, approximately around 10:07 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. An unknown individual with a green shirt and dark purple pants was seen complaining to people. According to authorities and witnesses, this individual said they are grounded for the majority of years. Now wait a minute, is this guy seriously grounding anyone for no reason? I don't know, but all residents are strongly advised not to approach him. If you have any information regarding this individual, call the Boston Police Department. If this individual approaches you, do not hesitate. If you approach this individual, move away in a calm manner. Stay tuned for more information on this event.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Boston Police Department. Local authorities have discovered that this individual's name is Boris Anderson. Boris Anderson is a white male, 30 years old, 6 feet tall, wearing a green shirt, wearing dark purple pants, and red shoes. It is the same person who yelled at people and grounds people for no reason. Do not approach him, and stay away from him. If he approaches you, do not threaten him, try to back away in a calm manner. The police will handle him. Stay tuned for more information on this event.
Wow, I really enjoyed tacos and chicken wings.
Hey you. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. How dare you eat chicken wings? That's it. You're grounded for 85 years.
Hey, you can't ground me. Besides, I am not your dad, and also, I did not do anything wrong, and that's a dumb reason to ground me.
Who freaking cares? You're grounded and that's fine.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Suffolk County Sheriff's Office. More reports came in about people getting grounded by Boris Anderson for no reason. If Boris says you are grounded, ignore him. In addition, Boris Anderson was also reported to be killing people with his weapons as well as a gun. All residents in the city of Boston are strongly advised not to approach him and stay away from him. Stay tuned to local media news outlets for more information.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Medford Police Department. Boris Anderson, an individual was responsible for grounding people for no reason, was reported in downtown Medford. A dangerous situation is taking place in the city of Medford, Massachusetts. Boris Anderson was riding a car and caused multiple car accidents in the downtown area and blaming people for no reason. All residents are strongly advised not to approach him. It is unknown of what his intentions are at this time, but all residents are strongly urged to remain indoors and let the Medford Police Service handle the situation. Stay tuned for more information on this event. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Boston Police Department. Boris Anderson has somehow gotten bigger, which is believed that he used which is called GoAnimate logic to make him bigger. As the result of that, he started to cause damage to buildings in the surrounding areas. All residents hearing this message is strongly advised to remain indoors and do not go outside until it is declared safe. Boston Police and Massachusetts State Police will try and deal with the situation. Stay tuned to local media news and outlets on this event. This is the emergency action notification requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow the emergency alert tone. Please stand by for the message. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Massachusetts government and the United States government. This is not a test. Repeating, this is not a test. Boris Anderson is attacking and causing massive damage throughout the state of Massachusetts. Fatalities have also been reported as well. Many cities and towns are reporting extreme damage from Boris Anderson. In addition, he also turned into Boris the Teeth Guy. These locations include Worcester, Springfield, New Bedford, Lowell, Newburyport, Plymouth, Quincy, Salem, Rockport, Northampton, and Auburn. Boris Anderson said that he'll take over the state of Massachusetts if his demands are not met. All residents in the state of Massachusetts is strongly advised to seek shelter immediately. Hide in an interior room with no windows. Stay tuned for more information on this life-threatening situation, and I better get to my shelter as fast as possible.
Please stand by for the upcoming message by a new governor of Massachusetts.
Hello, all of you. My name is Boris Anderson. I am now a governor of Massachusetts and made this state independent from the United States. Here are the rules. 1. Obey me. 2. Get all of the answers right. 3. Salute me. If not, you will get it big time. 4. If you do ignore me, you will be grounded in a punishment day, and that'll be all, and more will come soon.